If you don't struggle with understanding English but find it hard to speak fluently, you are not alone. I mean, ऐसा होता है ना कि हम इंग्लिश को अच्छे से लिख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, इवन अंडरस्टैंड भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब बोलने की बारी आती है, we cannot. And that happens, by the way, but that's not a big deal. So in this video, I'm going to share a solution for that. Hey guys, I'm Tanvi and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. So it is very common to understand a language but find it difficult to speak fluently. And I can definitely relate to that. And even now sometimes I struggle to speak confidently when I feel like somebody is closely observing me. I mean, I'm under observation and somebody is noticing me. So, while having this pessimistic thought, I cannot speak properly. So, what I do is, I just have to remind myself about not thinking too much. And the key is to remind yourself that you don't have to be self conscious when you are talking to someone. So it is very important to believe in yourself and in your abilities. So yeah, be yourself, be natural, and don't be conscious too much. Stick with me till the end of this video. You will get to know about the reasons and how to fix that. And even I have a great idea that can help you become a better communicator and how to overcome this problem. So all the words that you know are in your brain, but they just don't come out of your mouth, right? कि आपके दिमाग में सारे वर्ड्स हैं, आपके दिमाग में आपको मालूम है कि कैसे सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन करना है एंड कौन सा वर्ड कहाँ पे यूज़ करना है, कब यूज़ करना है एंड कैसे यूज़ करना है. लाइक इन योर ब्रेन आपको क्लैरिटी है कि आपको कब कैसे क्या बोलना है, मतलब सब कुछ आपको मालूम है, बट फिर भी आप बोल नहीं पाते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि या तो आपको रीजंस पता नहीं है या फिर हाउ टू फिक्स दैट यू डोंट नो. But I can understand it is a kind of frustrating feeling when you have a better understanding, but when it comes to speaking, you are kind of dumbfounded. You don't know what to say and you might be short of a word. Actually, we are too focused on the textbooks since our childhood, and in school, we were taught English as a subject rather than as a language, so we don't know how to enjoy the language learning process. And if you ask me, please don't expect to learn a language just by sitting in the classroom. And yeah, please don't completely rely on your teachers for all your language learning. I mean, you are the only one who have to push yourself to speak in English. And we have been learning English as a second language, right? So it is pretty obvious to make mistakes. So yeah, please don't afraid of making mistakes. That happens as English is not our mother tongue. And a lot of times you might be thinking that people will laugh at you, they will judge you and they will make fun of you. But people, like, they don't even think about us at that particular moment. लाइक इतना टाइम किसके पास होता है यार कि वो हमारे बारे में इतना सोचेगा. एंड अगर सोच भी ले तो भी हमें क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, नहीं ना. लाइक वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन आवर लर्निंग ओनली, वेदर वी आर मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स और नॉट. इट डजेंट मैटर एट ऑल in terms of learning. So that's okay, that's completely all right. So okay, let's learn about the reasons and how to fix that. So the reason is you don't immerse yourself in English. If you want to immerse yourself in an English speaking environment, it is not necessary to be in an English speaking country. You can create such an environment on your own, and the solution is to summarize your day. I mean, at the end of the day, write down at least 3 to 5 things you did in your day, even if you are alone. When you think in your native language, that means your brain is mainly functioning in one language only. So, to train your brain to think in English, you have to make it your habit, right? So that your brain will get a signal of your target language. And apart from that, you always chat in Hindi or you always read news in Hindi. So what you have to do is you have to switch this language into English. Okay, instead of Hindi, you can try chatting in English, or instead of Hindi, you can read news in English. You have to pay attention to these aspects as well. If you are kind of introvert person who always avoids social interaction, so this could also be a reason of why you are not confident in speaking English. However, you need to step out of your comfort zone and start speaking. And believe me, once you start speaking, gradually you will become more confident and your English will improve over time. So that's how you can go from a nervous speaker to a confident speaker. And keep learning, keep practicing, enjoy the process. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा सो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड योर सपोर्ट एंड फीडबैक आर मच अप्रिशिएटेड एंड या आई विल सी यू गाइज इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Until then, bye bye.